In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Notion API keys. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and go to the Notion developer portal. If you already know your way around, you can also go directly to the My Integrations dashboard. This is where you create and manage connections that allow tools and automations to interact with your Notion workspace. Once you are there, click the New Connection button. You'll be prompted to enter a name for the connection. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create more than one integration later. For example, you might use a name that reflects the automation or workflow this key will be used for. Next, select the associated workspace where you want to use the API key. This part is important because the connection will belong to that specific workspace. Leave the type set to internal, since that's the correct option when you want to create a private integration for your own workspace and automations. After that, click Submit or Save at the bottom of the page. As soon as the connection is created, Notion will automatically take you to the Configuration tab for that connection. This is where you'll find the credential you need. Look for the field labeled Internal Integration Token. This is your Notion API key. Click Show so you can reveal it, and then click Copy. Be careful with this token, because it provides access based on the permissions you grant it. Store it somewhere secure, such as a password manager or an environment file like a .env file, and never share it publicly or place it in screenshots, documents, or code that other people can access. Now, here is one more important step. By default, your new API key does not automatically have access to your pages or databases. If you want the integration to read from or write to specific content in Notion, you need to share that content with the connection manually. Open the Notion page or database that you want to automate. In the top right corner, click the More menu shown as 3 dots. Scroll down and select Add Connections. Then search for the name of the connection you just created and choose it from the list. Finally, click Confirm to grant read and write access to that page and its subpages. At that point, your Notion API key is created, secured, and connected to the content you want to automate. Thanks for watching.